The event for personalized learning is really about collaborating together with other like-minded educators of how to transform education so that we're really meeting the needs of students.
For me, personalized learning has taught me independence, how to run with things on my own, how to keep going when things get tough, but how to also seek out the help that I need.
We're really beginning to change to be more student-centered.
I think before personalized learning, it was more of a set course, so we didn't really do different things. Everyone did the same thing.
Personalized Learning Summit was actually created out of a need that we have found in the area for educators to come together really to talk about what it is that they're doing in their classroom and how they're doing it and why it's different than what a traditional educational path looks like for a child. So really it's about a collaboration of schools in order to be able to say, here's what we're doing, here's what we're trying, we'd like you to try it too, and let's see how we can collaborate together as we do that work.
Over the 2 days of the summit, we have a keynote speaker on day one. George Kuros is here. Following the keynotes each day, we have breakout sessions, and those include traditional breakout sessions where we're kind of having experts from the classroom or in the trenches sharing their expertise and knowledge. And then we also have some non-traditional or sort of unconferences where it's just a topic and there'll be a moderator.
Our schools have been designed to create really proficient, competent students. So we teach them skills to be successful students. But our work really is helping them develop the skills to be really good learners.
And on the second day, we're going to have a student panel, students from Eastern Carver County, and we're actually having a student moderator this year ask the question, so that's pretty exciting.
The student panel is probably my favorite part because we can talk about this as educators, but it still feels like something we are doing. And when we get the student panel, it's from the student voices. What does personalized learning mean to me as a student? How have I experienced it? And it's really when we hear the students talk that the message gets through.
I think my teachers should know that I am a go-getter and I like to go ahead and work on my own sometimes, and I'm able to do this with the personalized learning program. So it's a really good fit for me.
This is hard work. It's change. It's very different from how we were trained as administrators, how we were trained as teachers, and how we learned when we were, through school. So this is not something that's just easy to move into. It takes a lot of time and a lot of collaboration.
Breakout sessions are really valuable because they allow teachers an opportunity to be able to sit down, talk about their practice, talk about their students, talk about what they're seeing in the classroom and the needs of their students, and find ways to be able to meet those needs.
But now with personalized learning, once you learn something, you can go on to something else, and it's really good because it can fit your learning needs and you don't necessarily have to learn what other people are doing.
Having the choice requires me to really think about, in every class, how am I going to manage my time tonight so that what I need for tomorrow happens. And so with college, you have to learn time management, and to learn a little bit of that in high school is a great feeder into what we do in college and essentially life.
I really like personalized learning because now I'm kind of understanding what it is and how I get to choose my own schedule and how I want to learn, which is really nice because now I like learning a lot more.